Stainless steel hinges. Types, uses, and benefits. This video will take an in-depth look at stainless steel hinges. You will understand more about topics such as what are stainless steel hinges, how stainless steel hinges are made, components of stainless steel hinges, considerations when choosing stainless steel hinges, types of stainless steel hinges, advantages of stainless steel hinges, applications of stainless steel hinges, maintenance of stainless steel hinges, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding stainless steel hinges and their manufacturing process. What defines stainless steel hinges? How are stainless steel hinges crafted? Stainless steel stamping process. Stainless steel casting process. Stainless steel extrusion process. Stainless steel deformation machining process. Chapter 2. What are the components of stainless steel hinges? Components of stainless steel hinges. Hinge leaf. Hinge barrel or knuckles. Hinge pin. Considerations when choosing stainless steel hinges. Chapter 3. What are the types of stainless steel hinges? Knife hinges. Butt hinges. Ball bearing butt hinges. Spring-loaded butt hinges. Simple butt hinges. Concealed hinges. Bullet or barrel hinges. Offset hinges. Continuous hinges. Overlay hinges. Butterfly hinges. Block hinges. Constant torque hinges. Flag hinges. Floating hinges. Flush hinges. Geared continuous hinges. H hinges. HL hinges. Quick release hinges. Hydraulic self-closing hinges. Stop hinges. Strap hinges. Weld-on hinges. Four-bar hinges. Hook and eye hinges. Gate hinges. Structural frames and trusses. Hinge switches. Hinge systems for mounting cylinders. Frequently asked questions. What are the primary components of a stainless steel hinge? How are stainless steel hinges manufactured? Which stainless steel hinge types are best for heavy-duty doors? What makes stainless steel hinges suitable for harsh or outdoor environments? Are there stainless steel hinges designed for accessibility or ADA compliance? What installation options exist for stainless steel hinges in specialized applications? Chapter 4. What are the advantages, applications, and maintenance tips for stainless steel hinges? Advantages of stainless steel hinges. Applications of stainless steel hinges. Maintenance of stainless steel hinges. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right stainless steel hinge manufacturers for your needs.